Yesterday, the Supreme Court upheld 200-plus years of American political practice, refusing to dictate an intervention into the debate over congressional redistricting and partisan gerrymandering, parties drawing congressional districts to advantage their candidates. In a joint decision covering Ruscio v. Common Cause and Lamone v. Benesac, which challenged Democratic-drawn congressional district maps in Maryland and Republican-drawn maps in North Carolina, Chief Justice John Roberts, writing for the court, found that questions about partisanship in redistricting presented political questions, not appropriate for federal courts to resolve. The allocation of representatives in a state legislature or in the U.S. House of Representatives is a fundamental political question that cannot be resolved without political considerations. Chief Justice Roberts recognized this in his ruling. House Democrats also know this, which is why they are demanding major revisions to the way elections are held for the U.S. House of Representatives in their H.R. 1 bill, major revisions they could exploit to increase their political power. Of course, they never complained about partisan redistricting favoring the Democratic Party when Democrats controlled a majority of state legislatures. To get a handle on how much of an issue partisan redistricting actually is, I conducted an experiment that we published as The Myth of Nonpartisan Districts. Using real-world votes as they were cast in the last 5 House of Representatives general elections, I compared the real-world results with the results that would have prevailed under a state-by-state system of proportional representation, similar to that used to elect members of the European Parliament. The outcome? While Republicans gained a slight advantage from 2010 to 2016, the 2018 results would not have changed in the alternate scenario. And in no election did the control of the U.S. House of Representatives change parties. Also interesting is that the supposedly nonpartisan method of drawing districts with an independent panel can lead to worse proportionality than openly partisan legislative redistricting. In its 2018 elections, California produced a dramatically disproportionate result. It returned the Democrats an extra 10 seats relative to the statewide vote proportion, a boost of 18 percentage points to Democrats compared with their vote share. Meanwhile, the partisan gerrymanderers in Texas sent only 4 extra Republicans, boosting the GOP less in absolute terms and as a share of the state delegation than California's purportedly nonpartisan system boosted Democrats. Ultimately, all legislative, organization, and election questions are political, jobs for legislators, voters, and elected executives to decide. Chief Justice Roberts was correct to leave the redistricting question in the hands of the democratic process.